Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through adding your Tesla to the Tesla app. This allows you to control vehicle functions remotely, manage charging, and more. As of late 2025, the process is streamlined, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure a secure and successful connection. Begin linking your VIN, the first step in adding your Tesla to the app. First, locate your 17-character Vehicle Identification Number, or VIN. You can find it on the driver's side door jamb or under the windshield. Next, download the Tesla app from the App Store or Google Play. Then, log into your Tesla account. If you don't have one yet, create one during the process. Now tap Add Vehicle in the app and enter your 17-character VIN. Finally, the app will verify your VIN with Tesla's servers to confirm that the vehicle is registered to your account. The VIN linking process is crucial for security in your Tesla app. To link your vehicle, you enter the 17-character Vehicle Identification Number, or VIN. This unique code is found on the driver's side door jamb or under the windshield. The app verifies the VIN through Tesla's secure servers to ensure the vehicle is registered to your account. Once linked, the connection is irreversible without contacting Tesla support. This security measure ensures only you can control your vehicle through the app. Tesla uses advanced end-to-end encryption to prevent unauthorized access, significantly reducing hacking risks. For added protection, the Tesla app now supports biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition on compatible devices. This provides an extra layer of security beyond passwords. These security measures work together to keep your Tesla vehicle safe and under your exclusive control through the app. After linking the VIN, remote controls activate automatically. You can remotely lock or unlock doors, start the car, honk the horn, flash the lights, and control the climate. Some controls, like remote driving, require the vehicle to be in park with the keys inside for safety. Tesla's end-to-end encryption minimizes hacking risks. The Tesla app enables comprehensive charging management. You can schedule charging to take advantage of lower electricity rates or charge when you need the vehicle. Monitor your energy usage with detailed graphs that show battery percentage over miles driven, including consumption details for driving, climate, and elevation. Access supercharger information to find and reserve charging stations near you, with real-time availability and navigation. View your battery health status, including maintenance information and tips for optimal performance. Set home charging preferences and charge limits, such as 80%, to maximize battery longevity. The app also integrates with third-party energy providers for additional flexibility. If you encounter issues while adding your Tesla to the app, such as a VIN mismatch, start by double-checking that you've entered the 17-character VIN correctly. The VIN can be found on the driver's side door jamb or under the windshield. Make sure there are no spaces, extra characters, or typos when entering it in the app. Your Tesla needs an active internet connection to link with the app. Make sure the vehicle is powered on and connected through its built-in cellular service or via Wi-Fi. Also, ensure your phone's app has a stable internet connection. If you're on a weak network, try switching to a different Wi-Fi or cellular data. If problems persist after checking these basics, contact Tesla support through the live chat feature in the app or by calling their support hotline. Have your VIN and account details ready. Remember, an active internet connection is always required for successfully linking your Tesla to the app. Take advantage of predictive charging, which uses AI to analyze your driving patterns and optimize charging times. This can save you 10 to 15% on energy costs by scheduling charges during off-peak hours. If you have multiple Teslas, use the app's fleet management features for shared charging schedules. This helps coordinate energy usage across all your vehicles efficiently. Consider enabling opt-in data sharing to enhance app features and personalization. Always review your privacy settings to control what information is shared. The Tesla app is continuously evolving with new features and integrations on the horizon. Future integrations may include access to Tesla's robotaxi network, allowing seamless connections between your vehicle and autonomous transportation services. As electrification trends continue to grow, app-based vehicle controls will become even more widespread across the automotive industry. Linking your Tesla to the app greatly enhances usability, with charging and control features being highly rated by Tesla owners worldwide. Thanks for watching.